Hey everybody, it's Christina here with One Creative Direction. How's everybody doing tonight? Seen a lot of people lately curious about how to top coat your art. I do try to answer as many of those questions as possible. I know everybody has their preference. So I just wanted to do a real quick video on my preference. So I have two paintings here. This first one here, that's closest to me, was one of my very first Dutch pours. And it was before I knew anything about Crystal Brite Tone, and had done some research and asked a few people. And it seemed the very popular answer was Liquitex high gloss varnish. So I actually have several bottles of that, and I did, I think, 3 or 4 paintings. Got very frustrated. It dried very, very fast. Brush strokes, just all kinds of issues. So I kind of wanted to just come on here real quick and show you the result of the High-Tex varnish, or the Liquitex high gloss varnish, and the Crystal-X. So I'm gonna try my very best, and I'm gonna bring the painting over here where I think it's really evident in the light, and hopefully this is successful, and show you kind of what I see. I see brush strokes, and I don't know if you're able to see those. I'm going to try to angle it so you're able to see it. Now it does have a glossy finish. It's a very smooth glossy finish, but to me it's somewhat of a cloudy gloss. So I'm hoping that you can see that at the bottom of the screen. But there's brush strokes for sure. And I think this has like 3 or 4 coats on it. I gave up. I couldn't get to the point, so hopefully you guys can see that. I couldn't get it to the point where that I liked it. So I gave up. So as you can see, it has a nice glossy shimmer type of finish to it, but I see the brush strokes. I don't know if I'm just being too picky or what. So this one here is a more recent Dutch pour that I did. I did switch to Brite Tone maybe 2 months ago. So I use this for all of my art, whether it's wood, ceramic, canvas, everything. So I'm hoping this also comes across. It's very, very difficult, but hopefully you can see that really nice glossy finish there. Super shiny, very even, very glossy, no brush strokes whatsoever. And I just absolutely love how easy it is to put on. I mean, it's amazing. I can't remember how many coats I have on this, but Crystal-X is a water-based resin. For those of you who don't like resin, I used to use resin. I did a lot of tumblers and other resin products before I got into pour painting. I had a really bad reaction, so I cannot use it. But this is so easy to use. It's just much different process. You put on very thin layers, you let it dry 3 or 4 hours, you put on another thin layer. It's water-based, so you walk over to your sink, you wash out your brush, and you repeat the process until you get the finish that you like. For instance, I'll take you over here. So these are some of my wood products, and they're on display because I'm getting ready for a show in a couple of days. So my wood products, maybe 3, 4 coats tops. My tiles, I have those packed. Typically 4 coats, 3, 4, sometimes 5 coats, depending on the texture of the paint. But again, you can see the high gloss, super shine of this product. So I feel it's, you know, a fair comparison to resin. Super nice, super high shine. So just wanted to come on here real quick and give y'all, you know, some info, so you're able to see, you know, just how nice and shiny, glossy, that it actually does. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like and subscribe my channel. Check down in the description box if you want to check Crystalac products and Brite Tone out. I am an affiliate, so if you want to, you know, click on the link in the description box and check out their products. Order, please use my affiliate link. I would really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my channel. Thanks for visiting, and if you need anything, please email me. Thank you.